How to fix snapshot camera problem. Hello everyone, in today's video we talk about how to fix this on your snapshot. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search only for snapshot. Open then snapshot like this and scroll down and go to storage. Here on storage, go to the last button, clear data, and click OK, and then you have to back and click on first stop. Click also OK. Now what you should do, you have to go to permission and you have to allow all this option here, especially camera. You have to make sure that this allowed here, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.